Guests at 2 hotels in Singapore may soon get to enjoy food grown at the hotel's garden. The Fairmont and Swiss hotel, the Stamford, is providing that farm. It's Singapore's first aquaponics garden within a hotel.
Aquaponics, it combines growing aquatic life and plants with no soil required, so fish and vegetables grow together. In this 450 square meters of space, vegetables are harvested within weeks. Mr. Lam added that 18,000 plants could potentially be housed here. Eventually, this garden will produce 30% of the vegetables and 10% of the fish for the hotels each month. And certain types of vegetables will be fully produced here. It was General Manager Marcus Henner who kick-started the initiative.
From a sustainability point of view, it ticks the box of our carbon footprint is reduced, the plastic is reduced that's coming into the building, and our guests are getting a phenomenal product.
Through the garden, Mr. Henner also wants the hotels to engage guests on sustainable food production.
I'm indeed glad to see that your eco journey continues with the launch of this aquaponics farm. I hope your efforts will inspire other industry players to join us on this journey towards sustainable development.
We are thrilled to be, as far as we know, the first to embark on an aquaponics project within an urban hotel. It's the right thing to do. When you look at the carbon footprint that goes towards the produce that is imported into Singapore, it's going to save so much carbon emissions. The amount of plastic that is brought in from the vegetables that we currently use is going to decrease dramatically. So from a sustainability point of view, it's a great story, and it's the right thing to do. So we like to be pioneers, and this aquaponics project for us is a fabulous addition to the sustainability elements that we have throughout the hotel. We also envisage that we'll be able to grow flowers within there. We're testing things like strawberries, tomatoes. So, we really want to grow this project as much as we can. Initially, we expect that the aquaponics farm will produce 30% of our vegetable needs within the hotel and 10% of our fish needs per month. There will be some lettuces or some vegetables that we will no longer need to buy in. They'll purely come from our farm. People talk about farm to table quite often, and we're very keen from our farm to table. We'll be able to do it in about 20 minutes. So that'll be as fresh as you can get. The wonderful thing about this project is that the freshness of the produce our guests are going to receive. Currently, the vegetables that are imported into Singapore from Australia, New Zealand, Malaysia, it takes time to get here. From our farm, our guests are going to get the freshest. There's no chemicals used, there's no pesticides used, so this is as fresh as you can get. And so from a guest point of view, they're going to get an amazing product.
As a chef, it's very important to use local produce where possible. Here in Singapore, it's obviously a bit of a challenge because more than 90% of the produce comes from outside of Singapore. Here at the property, we work with local fish farms. We also work with a local oyster supplier. For us, it's ideal to know that, for example, we can use our own products from the hotel and reduce bringing products from, say, Malaysia Not only does it reduce the carbon imprint, but it also helps us to reduce plastic that is used as well.